metswalle, ra le amohela mona inside the Baobab tree.
Hello.
Nna lebitso la ka ke Bonolo. Enwa ke Baby Bab. Helang, ke batlile ke lebala motswalle wa rona mona inside the Baobab tree. Old Baobab. How did you meet saying Old Baobab? Kaofela. Ready? Hello, Old Baobab. Ehlile tlo ba letsatsi le monate haholo kajeno.
Oh, why?
Re tlo ba le mokete mona tulong ya rona, Baby Bab.
Oh, what's that?
Mokete, Baby Bab, is like a fete. A fete is like a party celebration where there's amazing things like theme parks, magic shows, lots of food stalls, games, and face painting.
Wow! Face painting?
Eya, empa pele ko hlalosetsa, hona le ho hong ho re hlokang ho etsa.
Oh, what is it, Bonolo?
Nna le batla ho tseba. Le batla, ho lokile he. Re hloka ho bina pina.
Wow, song time!
Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, Tovela, Abusheng. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, Tovela, Abusheng. Say how's it? And Eta, what's up? And Sawubona. Shaking hands is our style. We greet with a friendly smile. Goeiemorgen and kunjani. Riyalocha, botani. Rubbing shoulders with a pat on the back. High five with a mighty whack. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, Tovela, Abusheng. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, Tovela, Abusheng. We say how's it? And Eta, what's up? And Sawubona. Shaking hands is our style. We greet with a friendly smile. Goeiemorgen and kunjani. Riyalocha, botani. Rubbing shoulders with a pat on the back. High five with a mighty whack. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, Tovela, Abusheng. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, Tovela, Abusheng. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, Tovela, Abusheng. Hello, Dumela, let's shout hello. Molo, Tovela, Abusheng.
Wow, that was a fun song.
Oh, yes, it was.
Did you enjoy it, friends? You did? Oh, that's wonderful.
Wow, songs are my favorite, Nolo. They're great.
Yes, they are, Baby Bab. Jwale he metswalle, ke le jweditse hore letsatsi lena ke letsatsi le thabisang haholo. Re lo ba le mokete mona toropong ya rona. Mme ke lo thusa motswalle wa ka ho penta bana ba tla be ba le teng difatlhegong tsa bona.
Oh, ew. Jwang, Bonolo?
Face painting is what I'm talking about, Baby Bab. We are going to paint people's faces.
Wow, that sounds like fun.
Yes, it's lots of fun. The children can choose to look like cats or elephants or bright flowers or even any color they want on their faces.
Wow, really?
Yes, Baby Bab. Doesn't that sound like a lot of fun?
Yes, it does.
The kind of paint we are going to use is not just any kind of paint. It's a special body paint that washes off easily with water.
Oh, twist my tail.
Oh no, this can't be right.
Oh,
We only have 1, 2, 3 colors here.
Oh, what colors have you got, Nolo?
Let's have a look. Do you know your colors, friends? You do? Okay, let's say them. You ready, Baby Pep?
Yeah!
We have red,
Red!
blue,
Blue, my favorite color!
and yellow.
Yellow!
But that's not enough. How are we going to have colors like orange, purple, and green?
I don't know, Nolo.
We're going to have to think hard, Baby Bap. You can help us think too, friends.
Wow, okay.
My favorite color is red. My favorite color is green. My favorite color is purple. Ke rata mmala o mtala. Ke rata mmala o pink. Ke rata mmala wa namune. Ke rata mmala e mengata.
Friends, Baby Bap and I are busy thinking how we're going to have to make more colors for a face painting at the local fete. Have you also been thinking, friends? Aw, that's so helpful of you. You know, many heads are better than one.
Oh, yes.
I found this piece of paper in the box that came with the paints. Shall we see if it'll help us?
Oh, please, Nolo, look at it, look.
Well, let's take a short break, but when we come back, we'll read it and we'll see if we can find a solution to our problem.
Wow, yes. See you soon.
Inside the Baobab tree. Inside the Baobab tree.
Oh, yeah.
Eka ba Magogo kae, Baby Bap? A ke kgone ho mmona.
Oh, Magogo.
Magogo o etela hohle lefatsheng, mme a kgutla maetong a hae o kgutla a tshwere dipale tse makatsang.
Oh, Magogo. Magogo.
Baby Bap, e ka re ke a mo utlwa jwale.
Woo, twist my tail.
Dumela Magogo. Na wa rutlwa?
Dumela, Magogo.
Bana ba Magogo, dumelang hle. Le phetse jwang ka moo?
Re phetse hantle Magogo. Re thaba ha o le teng hape le rona mona inside the Baobab tree.
Le nna ka nnete bana ba ka ke thabela ho ba mona le lona.
O tswa kae ka jeno Magogo?
Na o batla ho tseba Bonolo? Magogo o ne a etetse moketeng o mong kwana wa diserekisi.
Diserekisi, Magogo.
Diserekisi di monate haholo.
Ya hle bathong. Ho ne ho le monate bana ba ka hore hona mono.
Wow.
Ho ne ho tletse batho ba tlile le ba malapa a bona ho tlo shebella diserekisi.
Ka nnete?
Ya, ebile e reng he Magogo a le bontshe tseo a di boneng mane diserekising. Eke bana ba Magogo le iponetse he tse neng di etsahala ha ke re mona ho ne ho tletse batho ba tsamaelang hodimo jwalo ka ha le ba shebile. Bona ba bitswa di-stilt walkers. Ba ne ba apere diaparo tse mmala o mosweu le mmala o motsho. Difahlehong mona ba boneng bana ba ka hore ba tseisa jwang. Ba ne ba pentilwe ke le bolella. Pente eo ba e sebedisitseng ho penta difahleho ke pente e hlileng e kgethehile e hlileng e etseditswe ho penta difahleho. Ba ne ba thabisa haholo ha o ba shebile. ba bile ba bapala le bana ba neng re tlile le bona ha ba ntse ba le mono. Hape ba ne ba tshosa bana ba bang. Ha ke re ha re tshwane, ho na le bana ba boi ha ba bang ba thabiswa ke ntho tsena tse ba di bonang. Ke ile ka bona e mong a nka katiba ya motho ka molomo. Why? Na wena o ka etsa ntho. Hatch. Hey, e ne e le ntho e tsheisang haholo bana ba ka ke le bolelle. Hona mona diserekising ke mona batho ba etsang diphoofolo tsa diballoon le ho etsa metlae ha batho ba ntse ba emetse ho bona ntho tse ding tse tla latela. Ruri ke ile ka ba le letsatsi le monate e le ruri. Ka nnete ke bile letsatsi le monate bana ba ka. Eke bana ba Magogo, ke a tshepa hore le iponetse hore na Magogo o ne a hlile a le kae.
Jo, e ka re le nna nka be ke le teng ho ya ba bona.
Ka nnete, ha ho le jwalo ho lokile he Bonolo le wena baby Beb. Magogo tsatsi le leng o tla lenka a tsamaye le lona.
Halala!
Ho santse ho le monate jwalo, Magogo santse a bile a re bana ba ka tata.
O tsamaye hantle Magogo.
Bye bye!
Wow, baby Bab, I really love the stories that Magogo always comes back with from her travels.
Oh, me too!
Did you see how high those ladies were?
Oh, yes, I did. They were very high.
I don't think I'd be able to walk on those sticks like that.
Oh, me too. I could never do that.
But hey, never say never, right, baby Bab?
Wow, right. I'll never say never again.
Aw, that's fine, baby Bab.
Hmm.
Those stilt walkers were only painted in black and white.
Oh, yes. I saw that, Nolo.
But they didn't have lots of colors like we need.
So, what are we going to do?
I don't know, baby Bab. Baby Bab, let's experiment a bit.
Huh?
Experiment, baby Bab.
Oh, how, Nolo?
Well, let's see what happens if we mix different colors together.
Oh, okay. Let's try.
Let's see what happens if we mix yellow with, what do you think, baby Bab?
Red.
Red. Let's put some red in there.
Yes, yeah. Oh.
Wow! Look, baby Bab, it's becoming a new color.
Yes, I see. It's orange. Wow.
Yes, baby Bab, it is orange. Now we have orange paint for the kids.
Oh, yippee!
What other color should we mix, baby Bab?
Blue, my favorite color. And, red.
I like red, baby Bab. And red. Let's mix it together. Different paintbrush. Wowee, look at that, baby Bab.
Oh, it's changing again, Nolo.
What color is it now, baby Bab?
Oh, it looks like
It's like magic, hey?
Yes!
Now we have purple and orange.
Yay!
We're left with green. Which colors should we mix together, Baby Pep?
Oh, try blue.
Okay.
And, let me see. Yellow.
Ah, blue and yellow. Well,
Yes.
here it goes. Yellow. Let's mix it together with a different paintbrush.
Oh,
Wow!
it's changing.
What's the color now?
Oh, green.
We have all our colors, Baby Bab. Look at that.
Twist my tail.
Now we can relax a little bit and take a short break.
Stay right there.
Inside the Baobab tree. Inside the Baobab tree.
Dumelang hape metswalle mona inside the Baobab tree.
Dumelang.
Baby Bab and I are so happy that we found colors that we need to paint the faces of the kids at the fair.
Woo! Hey, yeah.
But now I think we need to play a game and be like those people who wear painted faces every day.
Wow! Like who, Lolo?
I don't know. Who do you think we should be like, friends? Oh, wow. So many suggestions.
Oh, wow! There's so many nice suggestions too, Lolo.
Yes, I think they are. But I think there's only one place where we can find one suggestion.
Oh, and where's that?
I think we should ask the dressing up wardrobe, Baby Bab.
Wow! Let's do it!
Oh, wow. Listen to that sound, Baby Bab.
Oh, yeah! I heard it too.
You know what that sound is, Baby Bab? It's the sound of the dressing up wardrobe.
Yippee! Twist my tail!
Our dressing up wardrobe has opened up its doors again.
Oh, wardrobe!
Yes, that's right, Baby Bab. The dressing up wardrobe.
Ah, yippee! Yay!
Hello, dressing up wardrobe. It's great to see you again. What outfit do you have for me to dress up in today? I wonder what I'll be dressing up in today. Wow! I know!
Ooh.
Well, it's fluffy, just like my hair. It's a wig.
Oh, great!
I love its bright color.
Ooh, it's beautiful!
Friends, I wonder who wears hair like this.
Ooh, definitely not me!
Are you sure, Baby Bab? Let's look for the other outfit.
Wow! Yes, yes, yes!
Wow! There's even more colors on this outfit.
Ooh, very funny looking colors! Wow!
Do you know who wears the suit, Baby Bab?
Oh, I don't know! It's very funny looking!
How about you, friends? Do you know? Well, I also think I know.
Oh, Nolo, hey!
Well, here's a clue, Baby Bab. Look at this.
Nolo, stop clowning around! You're a clown!
Now, Baby Bab, can you tell me who I am?
Yes! You're a clown!
That's brilliant, Baby Bab.
Oh, yeah! That's why it looks so funny!
Very good, Baby Bab.
Oh, twist my tail!
Oh, that's it for today. No more dressing up. The dressing up wardrobe has closed its doors.
Oh, bye!
We can play with the dressing up wardrobe another day.
Ah, yippee!
Oh, wow. I really enjoyed dressing up like a clown today, Baby Bab.
Wow! And I loved seeing you juggle. It's so good!
That's good, Baby Bab. Well, now it's time for us to say goodbye to our friends. Aw, Baby Bab, don't be sad. We'll see our friends again soon.
Oh, you promise?
Yes, Baby Bab, I promise.
Okay. See you and you soon.
Salang hantle.
Salang handle.
Today, inside the Baobab tree,
Yes, it's a clown! Ebile Magogo a re bontsha batho ba makatsang haholo. Bona ba tsamaya ka hodimo ha dithupa. La ba hopola go ba bitswang? Yes, it's stilt walkers. Ka nnete e ne e le letsatsi le monate.
come visit us again soon, right here inside the Baobab tree. Goodbye.
Bye.